Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. Today's topic is Kai's fortune analysis. I have received an application for analysis of so-called Kai's fortune. I once dealt with Kai's fortune, but this time I received an application for analysis alone. Kai was a very nice man. Let's analyze it together. Kai is a big rock in his fortune. He has a strong personality and has a characteristic that he doesn't give up his will. The rock is often compared to a warrior with flowers, but it is also very emotional. The letters in pink on the picture above are the ones that mean Kai's popularity. Kai is a very popular style. And the letter marked with a blue heart means that there are people who help Kai. In his fortune, Kai's mother and the seniors are helping him a lot and playing a good role. Another characteristic is the combination of letters that mean women. When he meets a woman, it means that he doesn't break up easily and lasts a long time. This letter means wealth to a man, so Kai will be blessed with wealth. I analyzed Kai's fortune structure as shown in the picture. Kai's energy flows and flows to the letter that means a woman. This means that Kai treats women well. The letter marked with a pink heart is Kai's woman. As I explained before, it's a letter that's united. In addition, the letter meaning woman in fortune is a beautiful flower. A beautiful flower like woman is Kai's woman. And I tied up the energy of being nice to women directly with a blue box. And it's very strong. Therefore, Kai's woman becomes a happy person who receives a lot of love. In addition, there is a lot of energy connected, so Kai's woman will meet Kai happily with the feeling that she is precious and has a presence. This is a picture of Kai's fortune structure. Energy is flowing well. The energy flowing well means that the road to success is more comfortable than others. It means things are going well. Especially, the energy corresponding to art is powerful. It is an energy that strongly supports Kai's artistic activities. This energy is the energy that treats women well, but also the artistry and the speaking ability. Isn't it lucky that he has to be a good speaker before he can look good on a woman? But Kai has no sense of honor and control over himself. Therefore, Kai needs to always set standard of life on his own so that he doesn't forget it. We looked at his fortune today. Please continue to improve and be happy. Thank you. Subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.